Communication Mastery by Rahul Bhatnagar presents India's biggest online public speaking championship. This is my official entry for the round 2. Now let me tell you one sentence. Let success makes all the noise. What do you mean by that? It clearly means that do your all the hard work, do your all the struggle in silence. Do not tell others that you are doing very hard work, that you are aiming for an objective, that you want to achieve something in your life. Do not tell others, because if you tell others, they may criticize you. They may tell you that you are not worth it. They may discourage you. So when you don't work in silence, then you open the doors for all those negative comments. So basically, your silence work as a door between your hard work and those people. So do not open that door by yourself. It's a mistake. Don't be a statement maker. Don't be the person who talks too much and under delivers. Be the person that talk less and over delivers. Be the person who's an action taker, who's a decision taker. Do not tell people about your grinding and hustle. Do not tell people that how great you are. Because if you are truly great, then they will tell you. Confuse them with your silence and shock them with your results. This is very important. And all the great that ever lived in this planet, all those legends, all those titans are the decision makers. They don't talk too much. They don't say, hey, that I will achieve this, and they achieve really this. So it's very important that you talk less and let your results, your action speak up for you. So be the person who speaks less and over delivers. I hope you agree with my points. Signing out. Bye.